Just a reminder that all proceeds from our channel are donated to charity. Please help us help others by giving us a thumbs up, commenting, or subscribing to our channel. Your support makes a difference. You may have seen our reviews of Duravo's International Expandable Carry-On and their Venture Full Backpack. Duravo is a company dedicated to crafting durable yet stylish travel gear. Their latest product, the Agile Backpack, showcases their innovative FLEXSHELL material, offering a blend of strength and lightweight design. But it is different than the Venture style backpack we reviewed before. If you want to know more about the company and FLEXSHELL, check out our previous videos. So let's get to our new video review to learn more about the Agile Backpack and its features. We'll show you as we go through this video the exterior, the interior, what we fit inside when we packed it, and then how it did when traveling. And of course, at the end, we'll give you our opinion. So let's get to it. Just to note, we did receive this backpack free of charge from Duravo in exchange for a review. However, if you've watched our channel, you know that we do not hold back if we do not like something. So expect this to be 100% honest. Officially, the Agile is considered to be a laptop backpack, and obviously this can be used for school, business, and yes, travel. First, we decided to give you a quick side-by-side image of the Agile next to our other Duravo backpack, the Venture Full Size. You can see the size difference, making us think immediately that the Agile is better for smaller framed individuals or those not wanting to carry a larger bag. The capacity of the Agile is 18 liters compared to 25 liters for the Venture Full Backpack. The dimensions are 17.5 by 12 by 6.5 inches. FLEXSHELL is strategically placed in the front and back panels and corners, making it lightweight but strong enough to protect your stuff and keep the backpack standing on its own. This backpack only weighs 3 pounds. There are adjustable shoulder straps and an adjustable chest strap, and the chest strap is something that we always use when we're carrying heavy loads. The leather grab handle on the top is an elegant touch and makes it easy to carry by hand. On the back side is a trolley sleeve, a must for avid travelers like us. We won't buy any bags without a trolley sleeve now. Of course, the Agile fits easily over the handle of our Duravo International Expandable Carry-On. And let's not forget the elastic side pocket that fits our favorite bottle, a 24-ounce Hydro Flask. Okay, now let's go on to the interior. The first thing you notice about the Agile are the 2 front pockets to keep necessities at your fingertips. The bottom pocket has a detachable keyring and 2 stash pockets. We could easily fit a passport and an iPhone 15 Pro in these pockets with plenty of room remaining. The upper pocket has a built-in AirTag sleeve, 2 pen sleeves, and 2 stash sleeves where our iPhone 15 Pro and Passport fit easily as well. There is an expandable side pocket where we could fit a bifold wallet without any difficulty. This would be a great place to put our phone also, and it fit in there with the wallet, so you could reach it easily when wearing the backpack. There is a top zipper main compartment with a divider, and we'll pack this for you later in this video. Then there is the padded laptop compartment in the rear of the backpack that can fit up to a 17-inch laptop. Let's go through our packing. First, the pockets. We decided to pack our passport and a charging cable in the top pocket. In the bottom pocket, we put an iPhone 15 Pro, bifold wallet, and glasses. Then the main compartment. Now we use compression bags so we can actually fit a lot of clothing in our backpacks using them. High Bag are our favorite brand, and we use these because you don't need a pump and you just squeeze out the air. We packed this with 2 high bags, one for shirts and one for bottoms. Let us review what is in each. We rolled 9 short sleeve shirts in one bag, and the other bag has 4 pairs of shorts and 3 pairs of long pants. After the compression bags, we packed 1 pair of women's size 8 Ilse Jacobson flats. In the laptop compartment, we put an iPad Pro and a 13-inch MacBook. And lastly, our trusty 24-ounce Hydro Flask. Our model is going to put the backpack on and adjust the shoulder straps to his size, and we always use a chest strap, especially when carrying a little more weight. For us, it's all about comfort, and this chest strap is easy to clasp and adjust. The Agile Backpack fit well on our Duravo International Expandable Carry-On. The combination allowed us to move without any difficulty at the airport, through doorways, crowds, and even getting on and off the escalator. We tested the size of our Agile Backpack in a domestic airline sizer, and it met personal item requirements. The agents, when they saw us, said, "You don't need to size that, it's fine," but we wanted to show you. It was also nice to be able to store the backpack on top of the luggage when we were seated at a lounge. Because of the FLEXSHELL incorporated in the design, the backpack stands up on its own, even fully packed. On the plane, the Agile Backpack was easy enough to lift into the overhead compartment, and it also fit well under the seat. It could be turned either direction and still fit under the seat. All right, let's give you our opinion. As we've said before, we love the FLEXSHELL material. All of our Duravo travel gear is durable and lightweight. It's perfect for avid travelers like us. Next, the Agile Laptop Backpack is perfect for smaller framed individuals. It's comfortable and it's deceptively large. Although it's a little more difficult to pack with a top-loading compartment, we feel we were able to fit about a week's worth of clothing inside with 1 pair of women's shoes. But of course, we are more focused on it as a piece of luggage, but business travelers would love the capacity as well for electronics and paperwork. Next, compared to our Venture Full Backpack, those front pockets are perfect for organizing things you want to get to fast, like passports, glasses, and more. Also, just like with our other Duravo backpack, our electronics felt safe. Overall, the Agile is a great addition to the lineup of Duravo backpacks. Our wish list for this backpack, and these are minor, are a lobster claw clip for keys rather than a ring, and a whistle incorporated into the chest strap like on Osprey backpacks. And we feel even more strongly about this need since this backpack, of all of our Duravo backpacks, is the most likely to be used by women, and this is a pure and simple safety feature. Some might consider the $265 price tag on this backpack to be excessive, but when you consider that the only comparable laptop backpack is by Tumi, this does not seem like a huge price tag. Actually, for the quality and construction of the Agile backpack, we feel that is a reasonable price. And with multiple colors available, you're bound to find one that reflects your personality. Buy your Duravo backpack at their website. We'll put a link in the notes below and on this feed. and be sure to look for discounts and promotions. We hope you enjoyed our review of the Duravo Agile Laptop Backpack. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And remember that all proceeds from our channel are donated to charity. If you have a minute, take a look at our 2024 donation to the Navy SEAL Foundation amongst our videos. And always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen, and we'll see you next time.